the more carbon we have in the air, the more it throws the balance of our ecosystem off. I'm not a scientist, so I can't go up on the deep end, but the overall message is that, the earth has balanced out the carbon between the air and the soil naturally, through its own systems. But now, because of industrialization and modern practices, automobiles, we're petroleum-based civilization, this has thrown the balance of carbon off. If we don't do something to reverse this issue right now, we will see more environmental issues. The temperature of the planet will continue to rise faster than what we can handle, and it's not going to be good. It's going to hurt farming, and it could drastically change the numbers of the global population much faster than we would like to experience.